We are pleased to show you the 2026 Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, electronic stability control, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.